Wow, it's a crane! Let's see. Shall I get to work now? Wow, it's going up!
Let's see. Whoa! This is new to me. Wow, looks so fun. Wow! Son, Yejun!
Huh? Wait! Dad, what is it? Wow, what is this? I want to try too.
All right, let's do it together. Yejun, it's a crane!
Wow, it's a crane!
Ah, should we play with the crane?
Okay!
Got it! Yejun, the first mission is to use the crane to move the cart.
Wow, looks so fun!
We have to connect them. Whoa! Wow, it's going up!
It's going up!
Ah!
Ah!
Now, son, we have to use the truck to move the train. That's right. Good. Just a bit more. Perfect, perfect.
Oh, 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 oh! Oh, 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 oh! Oh!
Oh, look over there. Oh, it's almost done. Slowly. That's right!
I did it! Wow!
Wow! Son, that was so fun, right?
I know, it was super fun!